Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add everyone to a channel in Slack using the updated 2026 features for bulk adding members quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the channel and add people. To start bringing your team together, you first need to access the member management settings for your specific channel. Open the channel you want to populate, then click on the Member Cluster, the group of profile pictures in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Add People. In the 2026 Slack layout, this opens an enhanced Add Members window. This is where you can manually type names, or for larger groups, use the bulk functions to save time. Step 2. Use the Add All Members toggle. For public channels, Slack has streamlined the process of adding your entire organization with a single click. In the Add People window, look for the option labeled Add All Members of Workspace Name. When you select this, Slack automatically compiles every active member in your workspace. This is the fastest way to turn a project channel into an all-hands or general-style announcement space. Note, this feature is primarily available for public channels. For private channels, you'll still need to add members individually or via a user group for security reasons. You can also copy a list of email addresses or Slack handles from a spreadsheet or another channel. Click into the Enter a Name or Email field and paste the entire list. In 2026, Slack's parser is much smarter. It will automatically clean up commas, spaces, and formatting to identify the correct users. Once the list is parsed, click Add to finalize. This is a great middle ground if Add Everyone is too broad for your needs. And that's pretty much it. To add everyone to a channel in 2026, open the Member Cluster, click Add People, and select the Add All Members toggle for an instant workspace-wide invite. For more targeted groups, simply paste a list of emails or handles directly into the field and hit Add to bring your team in at once. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.